Hey Simtech Simulationers, Paul here from Techie TV. Got another unboxing for you. Today we've got TruCorp's AirSimCombo X. Not sure what the X is for, I'll try and find out for you. If you want to see more about it, I'll put a link in the description below and follow that to one of our other videos. Okay, we'll get to the unboxing. It's its own little carry bag for storage. So what we've got in here, we've got the model itself. All ready to go. We have some spare neck pieces. Mystery box. Memory stick, which I'm guessing has probably got the manual on. 512 meg. Anything else in the bag? Nope. So it comes with one neck skin already attached. One neck piece already in place, and 1, 2, 3, 4 extra pieces. Nice foam cushioning around the back, full Airway model, no eyes or anything. 2 long bags and one for the stomach. The neck skin is replaceable, and you can rotate it to get multiple uses out of it. So we also have a socket on the bottom, which I'm assuming is for inflating the tongue. So you can put beamers on and stuff. So that's the AirSimCombo X. We'll do a full review on it once we've had a chance to play with it. So check back and subscribe and get the notifications on. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.